क्लास 11th सब्जेक्ट अकाउंटेंसी। आज का जो टॉपिक है वेरियस फॉर्म ऑफ अकाउंटिंग। वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ अकाउंटेंसी। लेखांकन के विविध स्वरूप। लेखांकन के कुल कितने स्वरूप होते हैं? हाउ मेनी वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग? अ बिजनेसमैन or a business concern needs various types of accounting records for different objects, activities of business and industry are recorded on various principles which may be divided in various forms called as various forms of accounting records. There are 8 forms of accounting. How many types of accounting firms? 8 types of accounting firm. First, financial accounting. Financial accounting is related with the analysis of recording of transactions of financial nature, their classification, the preparation of financial statements and their analysis and interpretation in terms as financial accounting. Second, management accounting. The accounting which is prepared exclusively for the use of management is called management accounting. Management prepare plans and budgets on the basis of this accounting. Management accounting has been defined as management accounting is the application of the professional information in such a way as to assist the management in the perform in the formation of policies and in the planning and control operation of the undertaking. Third, cost accounting. The accounting which helps in ascertainments of total cost and cost per unit of goods and service is called cost accounting. It helps in cost control and cost reduction. Next, tax accounting. The accounting which is used for tax purpose is called tax accounting. Income tax, sale tax, production tax, exempt tax or GST, and direct and indirect taxes are calculated on the basis of this accounting. Next, government accounting. The accounting which are maintained by central government, state governments and local governments are called government accounts, and the system of recording is called government accounting. Next, human resources accounting. Accounting which is exclusively related with human resources is called human resources accounting. Costs and value of human resources are recorded in the accounting system. It is of immense use for a business enterprise. Next, social accounting. Social accounting deals which identify, measuring, and communicating social activities carried out by the entity for the benefit of various segments of the society. Next and last, environment accounting. Environment accounting for environment and ecology preservation is a part of environment accounting. It's it deals with the accounting of nature resources, pollution control, and prevention, etc. I can say a business concern needs very types of accounting. A business concern kept many types of accounting records for many different objects, activities of business and industry are recorded on various principles which may be divided in the various forms called as various forms of accounting record. This chapter is very important for business and industry, and my examination various form of accounting, meaning and types of accounting in this chapter, and any problem you can call me. Mobile number 7080305720. Okay. Thank you.